Hi, welcome back to Sudaama's Vedic Mathematics for Beginners. We're on the straight division method right now, and we're on to part 2 of example number 1. And let's take a look at what we've got to do. Right, so this is where we got to last time. we did 5763 divided by 67. We got a quotient of 86 and a remainder of 1. So what are we doing now? We're just writing out the sum again, the answer box and all the other bits, and we're going to add some zeros on the end of, because we're looking to work out the decimal form of this number. We're just putting some zeros on the end of the 3 there. We've got 5 zeros there. So we now complete step 5. Now what do we do in step 5? I believe, I think we just got a remainder of 1 there, didn't we? But what are we going to do with that 1? We've got a remainder of step 1, if you remember. So let's have a look. Right. Step 5. Continued. Right, let's see what we've got to do. Yeah, so we need to take that 1, which is a remainder, and divide by 6. Can't do that, can you? So we get 0, remainder 1. Now, what we need to do as well is put in the 86 here on the left-hand side. We need to put the 86 there. And we need to put the prepend the 4 to the 3 as well, so that's what we're doing right now. 86. I'm going to put the 4 in red. Right, that's what we had last time. Right, so what we've done is basically 43 minus 42, and which is 1. We've divided by 6, and we've got no remainder 1. And so we just put in that in there, the 0 under the 3, and prepending a 1 to the 0. Now step 6, we've got a gross dividend of 10 now. That's that red 1 there and the green 0. So it's 10. 1 0 minus the flag digit, which is always 7 in this case, multiplied by the latest quotient digit, which is 0. Right, so that's 10 minus 7 times 0. Which is basically 10 to minus 0, which is 10. So that's the net dividend. Then we divide that by 6, and we got 1 remainder 4. Excuse me. So the 1 goes in there, and the 4 is prepended to that 0 there. So we're going to have a gross dividend of 40 now. We're going to take away the flag digit multiplied by the latest quotient digit, which is 1. Alright, so that's 4 minus 7. 40 minus 7 rather. And that comes to 33. That's the net dividend. So 33 divided by 6 gives 5 remainder 3. Yep, 5 remainder 3. So we're going to slot that 5 under in the answer box under the next 0 there. That's right. And prepend the 3 to the next 0 to the right. Right. So we've got now gross dividend of 30. Let's move them out of the way. Oops. Why are we doing that? Let's move them out of the way for a minute. Yeah, that's it. Right, so step 8, what are we doing? So we've got a gross dividend of 30, take away 7 times the latest flag digit, which is 5. So 30 minus 7 times 5. So that's 30 minus 35. Takes us into negative territory now. So that's minus 5. Okay. 30 minus 35 is minus 5. and minus 5 divided by 6 is 0, remainder minus 5. So slot the 0 in the answer box underneath and prepend the minus 5 to the other 0 to the right. Okay, so minus 5 just as in the video there. Right, so look, what have we got now? We have step 9. So we've got a gross dividend of minus 50 now. We want to take away flag digit, which is 7, multiplied by the latest quotient digit, which is 0. So it's minus 50 minus 0, which is minus 50. Okay, so we need to, that's the net dividend. So then we need to divide the minus 50 by 6. So minus 50 divided by 6. £50 bill divided by 6 people. Minus 8. Remainder minus 2. Right, so each pay £8 and there's still a £2 to be paid. So anyway. Right, so minus 50 divided by 6 is minus 8, remainder minus 2. Put the minus 8 underneath in the answer box and prepend the minus 2 to the other 0. And if I remember, we've got another step. Right, so is that another 0 there? So minus 20, which is a gross dividend, minus, let me move them out of the way again. Right, so yeah, minus 20 minus the flag digit times my latest quotient digit, which is minus 8. There's minus 20 minus 7 times minus 8, which is so base minus 20 minus minus 56, which is minus 20 plus 56, which is the same as 56 take away 20, which is 36. So that's the net dividend. So we're then going to divide 36 by 6. We're going to get 6 remainder 0. I think I'm going to move them back up there, you know. Stay up there. Right, 6 remainder 0. Okay, so put the 6 and in the answer box next to the minus 8 there, and the 0 next to the prepended 0 to the 0. Now what's he going to do now? I don't think there's a step 11. Let us stop the calculation there. Don't do any more. And we just tidy up next time round. Okay, so please tune in to part 3.